Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2016 Module 6 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Break external links. Convert formulas in the vendor information worksheet to static values. Step 2. Add hyperlinks. Link cell B9 to the vendor price document with proper display text and a screen tip. Edit the hyperlink in B10 to update display text and screen tip. Step 3. Format grouped worksheets. Group North, East, South sheets. Increase font size in A1, I1 to 28 points, apply heading 3 to A2, I2, bold A5, A10, and apply accounting format to B5, I10. Step 4. Edit grouped worksheets. Rename A7 to Shark Bites and A9 to Pizza Frenzy without regrouping. Step 5. Auto sum for monthly sales. Apply the sum function to B11, H11 for each worksheet, then ungroup and verify formatting. Step 6. Copy and modify South worksheet, duplicate it as West, rename A2, I2 to Feeding Frenzy, and clear sales data in B5, H10. Step 7. Consolidate sales data. In consolidated sales, reference data from the North worksheet in A5, A10 and use a 3D sum formula for B5, H10 across North, West worksheets. Step 8. External references. Link J5, J10 in consolidated sales to H5, H10 in the 2018 to 2019 sales data from an external workbook without breaking links. Step 9. Final steps. Ensure formatting and formulas match the final figures, save the workbook, and submit it. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.